So for implementing topological sort without the DFS, initially I am initializing in degree to be 0. Then for all the vertices, if I am finding there is an adjacent vertex, I am having an edge from U to V. In that case, I will be incrementing the in degree of the node V. Now I'm taking a Q which is initialized to be empty initially. For every vertex, what am I doing? If in degree is 0, then I put it in the queue. That is all I'm doing. For all vertices which are having an in degree of 0, if in degree of that vertex is 0, then put it in the queue. Then I'm calling some function, say NQ. What I do, I put NQ, I put U in the queue, whatever queue I'm making. Somebody has sent me an algorithm on the chat. ये जो आपने अभी वाली चैट पे भेजा ना एल्गोरिथम, ये मेरे पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दो, because as soon as the class ends this will be gone. Kindly send it on my personal WhatsApp, but I will check. Now after I have put all the nodes in the queue, I will run a loop while queue is not empty, pick an element, remove the edges. This is my initialization part. Should I run this, rub this and write the rest of the algorithm?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I rub this part?
Yes, ma'am.
So while my queue is not empty, I am going to now run this loop till my queue is not empty. I am taking an element out from the queue. So I'm calling some dequeue function. And I'm storing the vertex U. Now U, if you want to store in some list, so you can list or you can simply print U. Topological sort में पहला element है ये आपका. So you're printing them in the same order, or you can save it whatever you want. For all the adjacent, अब adjacent वालों की we have to correct ना, adjacent वालों की in degree दोबारा check करनी है and इस edge को remove करना है. So for each vertex which is adjacent to the given vertex, which we have picked from the queue, for every adjacent I will be decreasing the in degree. In degree of node V is reduced by 1. So this is in degree of V minus 1. Now I am checking if in degree of V is equal to 0, then put it in the queue. Then NQ, Q में node V को put कर दिया. If the in degree is 0 for V, kindly put it in the queue. And after the loop is over for all the adjacent done, जब ये वाला loop भी over हो गया, when I am doing, then I am doing, what do I need to do? If in degree of U is not 0, then it must be a cycle. हमने assume किया था कि cycle नहीं है ग्राफ में. अगर cycle है ग्राफ में, तो जो भी हमारा नोड रह जाएगा सारे adjacent nodes के बाद, उसके बाद भी उसकी in degree जो है वो 0 नहीं होगी. It would be negative or something. So in that case, it is a cycle and I should stop. अगर in degree of U is not equal to 0, सारी adjacent edges में if there was an edge that was going to U itself, so in degree of U will go -1 or -2 or something like that. In that case, you should print cycle and you should stop. Else the loop should continue while there is something in the queue. This is all happening within the while loop. Now is it clear to all of you? How did we do it? Is there still any doubt? Please give me a yes or no. Thank you so much. Only a single yes.
It's clear.
Thank you. Thank you. And if I now look at the complexity, we should be finding this in the same complexity time. We should not be increasing the complexity by any chance. So if we are looking initialization में एक loop था हमारा, that was running till the number of vertices time. Then we were having a nested loop, दो loop nested थे. Yes or no? Topological sort was taking, initially it was taking of the order v plus e time, जो हमने देखा था using DFS. हमें चेक करना है, it is taking still the same time. After this initialization, there were two loops जिसमें हम in degree calculate कर रहे थे. तो for वाला पहला loop चल रहा था, that was running for all vertices. Second loop जो चल रहा था वो adjacent nodes के लिए चल रहा था. तो combined complexity of these two will be of the order v plus e. Now this is adjacent edges कितनी होंगी? Adjacent nodes are total number of edges over all the iterations of the for loop. So the total complexity will be of the order v plus e. A yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,
Then what we were having? Then we were having a loop to nq. अगर in degree 0 है तो nq करना है. That loop is again having for running for all the vertices. So that is of the order v complexity. Then we come to this loop. In this loop, there can again while loop is running of the order v time multiplied by, now here inside again we are having for each vertex which is adjacent to you. This is again going to be taking total number of edges for all the iterations over the while loop. There is no other loop. So this will be taking while loop here again will be taking of the order v plus e time. So if I add of the order v plus of the order v plus e plus of the order v plus of the order v plus e, the total complexity again comes out to be of the order v plus e only. That means even if we are not using DFS, topological sort can be implemented in the same time complexity. We don't want to increase it. So there are multiple ways of performing topological sort. If you already have DFS implemented, we can simply use it, or we can use another method also. Both will give me the vertices of the graph sorted in topological order. Is the algorithm clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.